Today we're turning mono
Sweet, sweet home.
into stereo.
Sweet, sweet home.
Let's get to the point. Grab your mono sound and follow me. I'm going to make this easy and painless, okay? What we're going to do is exploit a psychoacoustic phenomena which allows for mono sounds to be heard like they were stereo, okay? This is useful for vocals, for synthesizers, for guitars, and for any sound that is mono and thin. So, grab your mono sample and duplicate it into a new track. Now, make the first track all the way pan to the left, and the second track all the way pan to the right. Now, we are going to need a delay, but actually we cannot choose the Ableton's one, because it doesn't have the timing in milliseconds. So we are going to need a delay like this one. This is from Kilohertz, it's completely free and you can download it from their website and it's really good, okay? So what we need to do now is to set the delay time to something like 30 seconds. Any delay time between 2 to 40 milliseconds is good, okay? Do not go beyond that. And now just put the feedback all the way down and the mix all the way up. So what's going on is basically that on this track, so on our right here, we are hearing a sound that is 30 milliseconds delayed. The feedback is all the way down because we want only an instance of sound, and the mix is all the way up because we do not want the original sound. We just want the original sound delayed by 30 milliseconds, okay? So let's hear the mono sound first.
Sweet, sweet home.
And now let's hear the stereo sound that we just made.
Sweet, sweet home.
You can tell it's wider. Now we can group these two tracks.
Sweet, sweet home.
So that we can work comfortably. We can tweak also the delay time and you can hear the difference.
Sweet, sweet home.
The bigger the delay time and the wider the sound. But if you go beyond 40 milliseconds, these are perceived like two separate sounds on your two ears, and so the effect stops working, okay? This technique is called Haas effect or Haas delay, but it has a problem. So let's hear what happens when we hear to this, like if it was coming from a mono speaker.
Sweet, sweet home.
You can hear that it sounds metallic, weird, and it has some phasing issues. Now, this is why I suggest to use this technique only for sounds that are very high in pitch and on the background. So for example, you want to use this on your backing vocals, but not on your main vocals. Maybe you can also use this for synthesizers, for your background, and for white sounds, for environment sounds. Now, if you want a technique to make your sounds wide without having phasing issues, you can check out this video on Reverb in which I explain how to do so. Thank you.